Are you checking the garden? Another. Oh look, this one is tall. Another. So I did this. Another apple. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples, and then another one there. This bricks here is instead of throwing the bricks, so I did it this. I save it and then I make it, make it useful. And then another one there, and this one here. That one here is our like a dating area, a coffee area in the morning, like in the summer. So at least you can call it a garden, but although it's not really, beautiful like, done by a professional. But I did this for I think almost 2 months. Yeah, almost 2 months. Okay, so this is where we hang out. So this one here, I'm gonna, this next summer I'm gonna put some beans. So the beans are gonna be dangling here. Yeah, the vine. Yeah, and then right, this one is a bit messy because my son and his friend is lighting here, or you just did a fire to burn all the rubbish. So yep, so that's our rubbish. I put some rubbish and then more rubbish here. And this one, I'm trying to save this. This is an old, what's this? An old ironing board. I'm trying to save this for summer, and then we can put our barbecue stuff here, but because it's rusty, so I need to cover it. So yep, and then that one there. So yeah, so this one are all the slate socks. So there are 4 slate socks, so I did everything. And then this one here, I pull this and then carry it. And then I need to find some ways how you're gonna use these. And then the next one is, ta-da! That's where our rubbish bin. So this one is a water bucket. Oh, what's in there? What's in there? It's a rubbish. Okay, so I saved that. Instead of throwing, put the rubbish there. Oh, we got some, smell good. I can't remember the name of this, but you can use this for beef, like if you're roasting beef. Oh my god, it's massive. Alright, then this one is another project, my DIY. So this one is like so full of flowers and bulbs. So this one is this is gonna be gorgeous this summer. Beautiful flowers. So I make this the extra soil, and I make it like a chocolate hills, or like what you call it, let's call it a volcano, or a little volcano. Yeah, so see that one there. So this one here, this is the old frame of the trampoline. So I, instead of throwing it again, and then I just use it. So I bought some oh no, it's dying, my plants. Oh no, don't die. This is climbing plants, so pink color and a purple color. So this one I might put some rope here so that it will climb up properly. So yeah, that one, this one here is a beautiful flowers. It's a that's flowers. So it's a purple, I think. Okay, yeah, and then there more plants. I'm trying to save every corner really, because it's a lot of weeds, it's a lot of rubbish. This one is an old It's an old greenhouse. So this is where I plant all the tomatoes, beans, eggplants. And then this one here, another one here. Oh my god, it's dying my tomatoes.